So we've had these toolboxes in our garage for a long time. They were my son's. And I want to see if I can make these over and make them look nicer so I can use them in my tack room. So I think it opens, yeah. Not very easily. But I think these would make a really nice addition for storage in my tack room or feed barn. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them, probably in the feed barn because that's the one I use the most. That would give these toolboxes a new life. And then I don't have to buy anything to store my horse supplies in. So this should be pretty fun. I'm kind of excited about this. So these are the toolboxes before. So this is a spray paint that I got from Home Depot. It's called Sugary Pink. It's a gloss. So I think that should look really nice on the toolboxes. At least I hope it does. I think it's going to be cool. We shall see. The spray painting part is done. Is it perfect? No. But is it better than what it was? I think so. It's going to be really fun to put these in my feed barn and see what I can organize with these. So I think now that I have the painting done, now I'm going to go into my feed barn, which is over there, and get that all ready. So that's going to be a chore unto itself, but it'll be worth it in the end. All right, so I just put my horses out back so they can enjoy a little bit of spring grass. There's not too much of it, but now I can clean out my feed barn. Okay, don't judge me on this. It's bad. I know it's bad. But I want to clean this space out so I can put in those really cool toolboxes that I just painted. So I am going to get busy and clean this out a bit. And I'm thinking I want to put them over there on that wall. So I got some rearranging and some cleaning to do. So better get started. I've got this part of the barn cleaned out, feed barn. So I'm doing this in stages. I will start by cleaning and getting stuff out of the way, and then I can bring the toolboxes in and put them here. So I'm probably going to pull that thing down because I don't need to have that up there, especially when I'm going to have all of this storage from the toolboxes or my new storage center. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that down, and this is cleaned out enough that I can get the toolboxes, bring them in, and put them in place of where they're going to live. I've got my toolboxes in my barn. Yay! So now I have these awesome toolboxes that I can use for storage, lots of different things. And I think, unfortunately, I forgot I did not have enough spray paint for the inside of here on the bottom. And then I also missed the sides. And it's not the greatest paint job, but you know what? I don't care. It's cute. And I've got pink toolboxes now. My son is going to die because I'm going to show him these. And it's just so cute. So now I get to arrange these and make them awesome. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And then I'm going to show you how I set all of these new toolboxes, well, new to me toolboxes up. All right, so this is the reveal. This is way better than what it looked like before. And I have a lot of storage now because of these awesome toolboxes that I repurposed. So instead of throwing these toolboxes away, I figured out a way to make them so I can use them in my barn and keep all of my horse stuff organized. I'm so tickled with how these turned out. Are they perfect? No, but being able to look at my feed barn or supply barn, whatever you want to call it, and have everything have a home, this is just incredible. This is the one that doesn't open, but I've got places for everything. Their fly gear, extra gloves, spray nozzle, some first aid supplies, extra things that I use on occasion, and of course some horse treats, overflow supplies, first aid supplies, some brushes, my water tank heater, the braid kit for the back fencing, wash rags, vacuum brushes. This is one doesn't have anything really. And this one doesn't either. But now I have a place to keep my first aid supplies. I can keep smaller first aid kits. And I even have room to hang up the horse's blankets now. This thing is really handy for holding spray bottles. And believe it or not, that is a Dollar Tree broom holder, but it works really well. This is my favorite broom hanging up, so that way I can keep it hopefully longer and it still looks nice. Those are all the tools that I use for cleaning out water tanks and buckets, a little bit of artwork. And because I've created a lot more storage space, now my grooming tote can sit right here. I don't have tons of stuff gathered up here fighting for that space. Have my extension cord there, room underneath that table even. That is my toolbox. Few odds and ends, knives to cut the hay bales. And then I still have my hooks up here so I can hang up extra halters and lead ropes. And then the halters and the lead ropes that I always use for my horses are hanging right there. Again, the space is much more organized, much tidier, I guess is a good way to say it. Oh yeah, I even have a space for my bedding. And I'm able to keep it lifted up because I did keep one of those pallets. I used to have 3, but I don't need them because when we buy hay, this is how we buy our hay. It's a much more affordable way to buy hay. Overall, I am so happy that I finally did this, and then I will not be nearly as embarrassed when I open this space up and you guys see what's inside. And I gotta say, I really do love the pink toolboxes. Those are just so awesome. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.